Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry. And as you see, we have to talk about Focus Entertainment, or Pullup Entertainment, I think is the new name of the stock. And this is, of course, a big announcement. And I'm going to tell you why this is a big announcement in this video. So Space Marine 3, and we go through the announcement, obviously, very quickly. So announcement came. It came after the close of the market. So we don't really know now the impact this announcement going to have on the market, but I assume it's going to have a more positive impact on the announcement. So because when I scroll here, we go now here to the lowest point. So more or less, this is the release from Warhammer 2, from Warhammer Space Marine 2. So the stock made 145%, so pretty successful. Obviously, from those heights, we were losing now 23%. So you see, actually, Pullup Entertainment, Focus Entertainment is the old term, or is the name of the publisher, and then the stock is called Pullup Entertainment. So we're still holding, and this is, I think, what I like the most. So we're still holding around the 17 euros. So I think we have a big chance actually to have tomorrow a nice bounce to the upside after this news, because a lot of people were actually expecting more DLCs, but they just say, hey, skip the DLCs, we go directly to a new Warhammer title. So we don't make DLCs, we just immediately put a Space Marine 3 there, so new game, but obviously, yeah, when it's coming. So I'm reading with you the article, obviously, but before I do this, I wanted to just show you some data. So 148 million, so obviously it's a small stock. This is now the 1 year chart, and the 1 year chart looks good. The 5 year chart, obviously, on the other side doesn't look so good. I'm personally invested in Pullup Entertainment. I'm also now in the negative, so therefore I would feel good if I see a little pull up. And it's actually really funny. I bought Pullup Entertainment, I think yesterday. Yeah, no, on the 11th of March I bought it. So I had no idea about Space Marine 3. I bought 20 more shares for 17.26. Yeah, now we are even higher than this. So therefore, hey, cool. Then I hope I can profit a little bit from the Pullup. Yeah, if we're going to see it. So if the markets overall are bad tomorrow, then probably we don't see it, but I hope we can see it. So my average price is now 22 euros. 22 euros. Are we going to see the 22 years? It's difficult. We were like 24 on the top. On the top we were 24 euros. So not for long. So I hope that we can more sustainably be over those 24 euros. So also to see if Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 was a success. It stands now at 112,000 reviews. This is definitely a success. 81% positive, or 82% if you round it up. That's also a success. And now, yeah, came out in September 24. The player base dropped a bit too much for my taste, but on the other hand, we had like 225,000 highest value of player base. This was definitely good, and at the moment we have a sale going on Steam. So you can buy Space Marine 2 for 35% down. So I expect actually also a lot of people, here, Seasons Pass, a lot of people actually going to purchase this game now in the sale. So, and it will probably take some time until Space Marine 3 is coming out. So Paris, France, March 13th, Focus Entertainment Publishing, so subsidiary of Pullup Entertainment Group, Games Workshop and Saber Interactive are proud to announce the development of Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 3, the next installment in the legendary franchise set in the Warhammer 40,000 universe. Space Marine 2 continues to captivate players, and the new edition promises an even more immersive experience, staying true to the Warhammer 40,000 universe with intense, brutal and spectacular gameplay. Nice. We have been honored by the incredible response from fans following the launch of Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2. We will continue to support the game with exciting content and regular updates in the coming years. That's good, so they're not letting Space Marine 2 go. Today we are thrilled to announce that the adventure will continue with Space Marine 3. Players can look forward to an immersive campaign and multiplayer mode and innovations that will redefine the standards of third-person action games. Developed in close collaboration with Games Workshop, Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 3 will take the genre to new heights by introducing large-scale battles that are even more spectacular. So this has been said by John Bird, Deputy CEO of Focus Entertainment. Space Marine 2 has proven to be a transformative game for Saber. It is the culmination of everything we have learned about game development in our 25 years in the business. We are now starting to develop Space Marine 3, a game that carries with it tremendous expectations, that's true, from our rapidly expanding fan base. While we will continue to support and grow the Space Marine 2 universe over the coming years, we will take all our learnings and apply them to an even bigger and more spectacular game for the third installment. We view this as an opportunity to create a true love letter to the Warhammer 40,000 universe. Matthew Karch, CEO of Saber Interactive. Alright. So Space Marine 2 continuously enriched with additional content since its launch, will maintain an ambitious content roadmap in the coming years, including the upcoming release of the Horde mode. So this video is like 15 seconds long. So there's some rain, so I took out the rain because probably I get otherwise a copyright strike. Alright guys, so what do you think? Pullup Entertainment? Do we have a chance to go back to the 24 euros even, or even go better? So I think this is what the stock definitely needs right now. So I like the overall trend now of Pullup Entertainment, and as I told you, I had a little order in, and the order has been executed, so I'm looking forward to some better days. So for now, I like it and I like the announcement. So let's see if we're going to make some money with this stock. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.